Alright, yo, what is up? My name is Isaiah. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the channel if you are new. If you are new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So today is Saturday. This video is just going over the trades we took this week and the days I didn't trade, just to see, what was up with those days. Trying to make this not a fast one, but a little bit shorter, a shorter video. So like I was saying before, this week started on Monday, Monday. Well, I can see price go lower, and we've been going lower for the week, which is good. Yeah, I was looking for like bearish setups. I will go over the first trade I took. So here's a trade I took on Monday. On the 15-minute time frame, price made a high at 6:45 a.m. and then price ran above that high at 9:30 a.m. So I'll kind of clean up the charts before I go into the lower time frames. So this is a high. Now, I just marked out the highs that were from 7 to around 5. This is the low for that session. And this is a high. So that day I was wanting to see price take out those highs. So it's 8:30. We wait. We want to see these be taken out before you enter, or before I enter. So I'm like, alright. Is that it? Boom. That's what I want to see. A big candle when it takes out those highs. So I dropped down to the lower time frames, seeing if there was a short-term low being broken. So now, yeah, I just wait. Here's one right there. Right there. There's another one as well right there. Okay. If you are thinking of why did I not get in on this one, yeah, this is a swing low, but if you look to the right, no candle, there's no imbalance like this one. Here, I won't even do that. I'll do that. An imbalance is something like that, or a fair value gap where it leaves a gap after it takes a low out. And this low right here, there was nothing. There was no fair value gap. So that's why I didn't take that one. This one, there's a swing low here. This low is lower than this candle's low to the left, and then this candle's low is lower from this candle's low on the right. Yeah, since price made that, I just wanted to see price tap into that now before entry. I believe I got in on that candle, and then I had my stop loss above the first candle's high that made the fair value gap. The second candle is the actual fair value gap itself, and then the third fair value gap candle is the low end of the fair value gap. Okay, so we got that in. Just go from boom boom, this low to this high. Really targeting we'll do a 2.0 or like 2 to 1. You know, right here there's an imbalance, and yeah, I just wanted to see price tap in that. Okay, you know, that's the trade we took, and I was expecting price to either fill in this other imbalance or to come down here and take these out, or like to stop at. But you know, I'm trying to go for a 2 to 1 RR. But yeah, we can just play this out, see what happens. And I'm pretty sure I got out around like one of these candles, one of these three. Price did tap into the other imbalance down there, and just play it out a little more. And then price did come down to those lows. Yes, this is in hindsight, but I did take this trade. I literally posted up a video. So that first trade on Monday was a win. I can throw up the, I guess, screenshot of the trade. Let's get into the second trade I took, which was on Tuesday. Alright, so the second trade I took on Tuesday, let's see. So here, I think I came to the market around the 8:30. I'm not really sure. But you know, I come to the market and I see this big move. You know, and I wanted to see, first off, yeah, I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. I wanted to see either these be broken or there's a lot of buy stops up here. I wanted to see those be taken out before I actually got in. So I'll just mark these out. Alright, but I wanted to see price do one of these, comes up, boom, boom. Initially, price took these out and then sold off. But what I wanted to see that day was price take these out up here to then move lower. But that did not happen. So, you know, I'll fast forward until where I got in and we'll go from there. Prior to 8:30, we want to see a high being taken out, which here's a high over here. But we did not, price didn't take that out. So that's why I didn't get in. But there are highs below here. So, you know, I'm like, okay. Potentially there could be a setup here, which there's this fair value gap here. Here's a short-term low being taken out with this displacement candle, which made a fair value gap. So I'm looking for price to tap in that, which was right there, to get in. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna place my stop loss around here and then go for a 2 to 1 RR, which is just below here. I'll even place these out. First, fair value gap candle here. Second one, is the actual fair value gap itself. And then third candle is the low end of the fair value gap. So price, tapped into that. Now I was waiting. I got stopped out a little before price actually ran above that. Like here's my normal stop loss, like a 3.5, but I got stopped out like at 3. I'm not sure. I think it's the spread of the broker, but yeah. So we took an L on there on that day. I'll pop up the trade that I took on this day, which was a loss. So Thursday, I'll just kind of speed it up because I don't want this video to be that long. So I can't remember, but there might have been news for GU. That's why it probably went so low. We wait for the 8:30. You see I got these lines on. Excuse me. Here I'm looking for a high to be formed. I'm pretty sure I came to the market and I'm like, okay, I could see price tap in this fair value gap. This one. Just because there was no high. I didn't see any high. So yeah, I just didn't see one. That looks like a good move right here, but price didn't tap back into this. That would have been a solid move, but price didn't tap back in there, so there was no move, no setup. So there's Thursday, no trade. Friday, which was yesterday and the 2nd, so just wait till 8:30. Come to the market around 8. Boom, 8:15 or 8:30 right there. Just shot up. Went straight up. And then it still goes up. So maybe this could have been it, a high at 8:30. Let's see here. Could have had that swing low. That candle's high. The second candle's the actual fair value gap. This one is the third candle of the fair value gap. See if price taps in there. Okay. Boom. We'll try like a 5 pip stop loss. Go for one of these. See what price does. Okay. I mean, I didn't trade. I'm just going over these again. I only took 2 trades this week. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure GU just continued higher for that day. Yeah, so here we are now. This is what price is at. So, I mean, it was an okay week. Next week I want to, be there every day. Not Wednesdays, but Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I want to be at the chart. Other than that, it's like a 25-minute video, but I'm going to cut it down. That's going to wrap up this video. By the time this video gets up, just look in the description to see if that Discord link is there. So I'm going to be working on the Discord server tonight. And if it's not in this video description, then tomorrow it will be in Sunday's video description. You know, that's it. So I'm gonna make it tonight, start on it tonight. If it's not in tonight's video, when this goes up around 7, then look out for it in Sunday's video. And then Sunday's video is just gonna quick video, 5-10 minute max, of just me going over the week, my weekly forecast for that week. So look out for a video around 6 p.m. tomorrow. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you watched this far, drop a like or just leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be trading next week, and if you are, what pair are you trading, or are you trading stocks, or are you trading Bitcoin? But I appreciate you guys watching. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video, and until then, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.